15 July, morning 10:33 a.m. This is Ghazipur Waste to Energy Plant. This is the very famous for the clean environment. You can hear noise, sound, huge dust, everything is there. Our government, our system, all are sleeping. They are not listening anything, not looking anything. I posted and shared social media, Twitter, but nobody taken any action against them. But as a residents, we are harassing. This sound stuck in my brain. This can be brain hemorrhage. We elder can't sleep, can't rest in the day, night, 24 hours. They are doing this type of sound. This is not a waste to energy plant. This is the stone crusher machine like. MCD, EDMC, Commissioner, National Human Rights, National Green Tribunal, even I request to court also. Man, nobody is bothered for this. Day by day, our life is dangerous. This is like a RDX bomb. Government taking vote always, but this type of unit 5 or 10 kilometers away from the residential area. This is our residence area. Within 5 kilometers, 10 lakhs people is here. But we residents, 2,000 flats and residents are affected for this. We request to government, please look into the matter and take an action against them. This is the very old machine. They don't have money to maintain it. So that please cancel their license. Otherwise, ask them to shift outside the locality. Thank you.